In this video, we'll learn how to create branded short links using Salesmate's URL Shortener feature. URL Shortener helps you transform long URLs into clean, branded links that are easier to share, especially through text messages. It improves trust with recipients, saves valuable SMS characters, and allows you to track link performance more effectively. Setting up your branded domain. To get started, log into your Salesmate account and head over to the profile icon at the top right corner and navigate to Setup. Search for the URL Shortener section under Voice and Text category. If this is your first time setting up URL Shortener, you'll see an option to add a new short link domain. Click Add Short Link Domain and enter your preferred subdomain, such as example.com. Once entered, Salesmate will generate the CNAME details required for verification. Copy the provided values, log in to your domain provider, and add them under the DNS records section. Create the CNAME record exactly as displayed and save your changes. After the DNS changes have been propagated, return to Salesmate and click Verify. Once verification is successful, your branded domain will become active and ready for use. Now that your domain is verified, let's configure how links will be shortened. Within the URL Shortener settings page, you'll find the option to automatically shorten links in text messages. Enable this setting if you'd like Salesmate to automatically replace long URLs with branded short links before sending messages. You can also manage exclusion rules. Click Add Pattern and specify URLs that should never be shortened. For example, you may want to exclude WhatsApp links, Google Maps links, YouTube links, or specific tracking URLs. Salesmate will automatically honor these exclusions whenever messages are sent. Using branded short links. With your setup complete, you're ready to start using branded short links. Simply paste your long URL into the message. If automatic shortening is enabled, Salesmate will automatically generate a branded short link at the time the message is sent. Recipients will see a professional branded URL and can click it to access the original destination seamlessly. Managing your short link domain. You can return to the URL Shortener settings page at any time to review your domain status, update settings, or manage exclusions. You can add multiple domains and configure them. However, the first one is set as the default automatically for all channels, and you can change the default domain as per your requirement. Use your business domain, such as example.com, for branding consistency. Enable automatic shortening to streamline your workflow. Exclude unsubscribe and compliance-related links when necessary. Test your links regularly to ensure a smooth customer experience. And that's it. Your branded short link domain is now configured and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Salesmate tutorials for more tips and best practices.